How to fix Botim app call not connecting. In order to fix Botim call not connecting, you must ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. So what you want to do is, first thing first, you go to settings onto your device. As you go to settings on your device, what next you want to do is, here you simply want to go ahead and make sure to click onto network and internet. Here, go to internet section. Over here, refresh, or maybe you could switch over to Wi-Fi or mobile data. That should definitely help you out. Moving on, you also want to make sure to close this up and try closing all the running app on the background. Hold on to your side button and restart your device. That might also be able to fix. In some cases, updating the app can also fix. So go to your respective app store, type in Botim on the search bar, and update the app to the latest version. That might also be able to fix it. So in some cases, you might also want to check the permissions. For that, you want to go to the settings on your device. As you go to settings, you then want to go to app section, click on see all apps and locate Botim from the list. Here it is. You go to permissions and make sure to enable the permissions as well, and this way you should be able to fix Botim app call not connecting. So that's how things work. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.